Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, stability control, tire pressure monitor. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.